In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts to Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Xero account, how to upload your documents, and a few best practices so your records stay clean and easy to find. This workflow is ideal for building a solid audit trail and making bank reconciliation faster since your source documents will be stored right alongside your accounting. Start by signing into your Xero account and landing on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one. From the main Xero screen, we're heading to the area where Xero stores documents so they're ready to be attached to bills, spend money transactions, or expense claims later. Look to the top of the screen for your company menu. Depending on your layout, it may appear as your organization's name in the header. Click that to open the drop-down, then select Files. This opens Xero's central filing area. Think of it as your inbox for documents, a simple place to collect receipts and invoices before you link them to actual transactions. Inside Files, choose Upload to Files Inbox. A dialog will appear, and you can either drag and drop your receipt file straight into that window or click to browse your computer. Xero accepts common formats like PDF, JPG, and PNG. For best results, make sure each image is clear, well lit, and shows the full receipt, including date, supplier, and total. If you're scanning or photographing, place the receipt on a flat surface and avoid shadows. It also helps to name your files consistently, something like date, vendor, and amount, so they're easy to identify at a glance. Once the files finish uploading, you'll see them in your Files inbox. You can preview them here, rotate images if they're sideways, and rename anything that needs a clearer title. If you accidentally uploaded the wrong document, simply remove it and try again. If an upload stalls, check your internet connection, ensure the file isn't unusually large, and refresh the page before retrying. That's all there is to it. You've added your receipts to Xero's Files inbox, and they're now ready to be attached when you create bills or reconcile transactions. Keeping receipts in this central spot saves time later and helps ensure your records are complete and compliant. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you add your own receipts into Xero.